Hello everyone. Today is January 1st, 2018. This is a requested video. How to write numbers to a file such that Notepad can interpret them as text. More correctly, fundamental understanding of how data processed by the computer would be better title of this video. In my previous video about advanced I/O file create, file write, file read, file close, in this video, C tutor asked me a question like this: how would you write an array of integers to the file that can be read in application like Notepad? I have not found a way you write integers with WriteFile that is readable in basic text editor. If you understand this concept, you have to understand what is number and what is text. In computer, internally process the data in binary format. In case of application Notepad treats all data as ASCII text. So when we write number to a file that is readable by Notepad, we have to convert the number to ASCII format first. Mr. C Tutor, thank you for asking me such a wonderful question. I would like to help C or C++ programmer, but I actually don't know what they don't know. I don't know what they don't know. So if you ask me questions, then I understand what people are struggling with. Please download source code by clicking this link. Also, from my previous video, answers to most common mistakes C and C++ and two's complement, please download source code, this one too. I will put this script to the description section, then you can further watch my other videos about how numbers and data are treated in computer. When download is complete, click this button, show in folder. Please unzip two files. One file and also this, unzip it. Click this folder, then copy the path. In Visual Studio 15, go to File, Open, Solution, paste the path, then // enter. Then open this solution. In the Solution Explorer, if Solution Explorer is not displayed, go to View, then click Solution Explorer, click the solution, right click, add new project, Visual C++ Win32 console application, write number as text, click OK, click Finish, right click number as text, set as starter project, right click once again, properties, C++, general, make sure all configuration selected, all platforms selected. Additional include directories, edit, click this button, solution, dir, include, enter. Your path should be resolved like this. Click OK, click OK. We need these settings because in our previous solution we want to include these files bitwise and type these two files. Header, right click, add existing item, go up, select include, then click to both files, add. Now press Ctrl F5. Your application should build successfully. Now go to your download folder again. Motivation CreateFile. Click ReadFile app this. Right click the source code. Edit. Here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Copy all. Then here, paste. Like this. Now save. Ctrl F5 again. We probably need to include here stdafx here, include Windows H, include IO stream, save. Then in this file, Control F5. The program should build successfully. Sorry. Go back to the file again. Download folder. CreateFile app. Right click. Open. Notepad. Control A. Control C. Copy all. Here. In this file, Control A, Control V. So I copy the file right sample, save, Control F5. So your program should run successfully like this. I will give you the answer first, then I will explain the theory behind. So I will change this text, write a number 1, 2, 3. Then I will also change the file name. This is file name, same test number, write. I changed like this and save. I will also change it to WinX86, save. Then Control F5. File write successful. Let's examine it. Download here in this folder, debug. So I double click it. The text file is created. Number 1, 2, 3 is written like this. Here, stdafx. I will include one more header file. Include sstream. Save. Here. Now come here. We create an array. int array. I will say constant int array count. For example, 5. Then we put here like this. Then we initialize the array for int I equals 0, I less than array count plus I array I. Then we display the output std cout array I std and there. If we run it, sorry, it failed because it is already written. Don't worry, it is still working. Then we convert it to string. Okay, I will create here std or string stream os. This is string stream. We convert the array to string. os array, this is array I. Then we put a blank character like this. Then at this point convert number to string. Okay, here instead of doing this, I will change it like this. Please watch how I change os str, or I can say constant character here 0 like this. Get the string character pointer and assign it to buffer. Buffer is now character pointer. Now let's run. Control F5. Okay, don't concern about this. Output. Let's run it. Open it. Something wrong. This is 0 byte. Let's check what's the problem. Sorry, I need to include a string here. Include string, save. Then here std string numbers, then OS str, convert OS buffer to string. Then I modify like this. Actually we don't need this, but I will just do this. Number, like this, numbers, then Control F5. Okay, open up, downloads, answers, in this folder, debug, run write number text, then this text file is created like this. Okay, now it works. I will explain how. When we write numbers, we have to translate to characters. This translates numbers into character string. From using this OS, assign the string to a string buffer like this. Actually we don't need this. Actually we can do this, but we can still do like this. Instead of doing this, we can just use this string buffer here, and we can get size. We can compute the size like this. This is just to compute the size, and we don't need the string. It returns the number of characters in string, in number. Then instead of doing this, we can simply do like this. Numbers CSTR. It returns pointer actually. Then we will change some value here. For example 10. Save. Also we can put more strings. OS. How to write numbers to a file. Okay, we can put line new line character here. Save. Now Control F5 to build. Okay, close it. Go back. Download answers. Debug here. I delete this. Double click again. Then open it. Then how to write numbers to a file like this. The primary reason using CreateFile is for efficiency, for extreme performance. Normally we do not need to use CreateFile. Instead of use just a F file or file stream. However, if we use CreateFile function, then we can create asynchronous device I/O. I mean, using asynchronous device I/O, we can create high performance application. I will change this function name. Test file write. I change the function name like this. I don't think we need this, and so I will remove it. Then save. I create function main, int main here. Then I call this function. Control F5. Okay, it builds. I will copy the whole function and paste it here. I paste it here. File write. Test file write, more efficient. Save. I think I made a mistake in previously. So here, actually we don't need this. I delete this part. And here we can compute size like this. strlen. Here OS str, it returns a string. It returns a string. Then cstr, it returns a C string pointer. So this way we don't need to make separate instance of string here. Then we can do like this. OS str cstr. Then I modified like this. This way we don't need to make separate string instance. Okay. Then I call this function again. Copy it and paste I disable this function. Now Control F5. Okay. Now we comes back in debug. I delete this function, this file, then run. Then open it up. Now it works the same way. So this way is more efficient because we do not need to create std string. I will fix one thing more here. Actually, I don't think we need to do like this. It's easier. For example, we convert to string OS to string, then string has size member function that returns character size. Then it should still work. This is much more efficient because we don't need to calculate string size. Then it should work. Control F5. Okay, so it works. To help you have deeper understanding, I will create a function void understand computer representations. I created a function and stdafx include bitwise util save here std string str I am a string 1 2 3 for size t I equals 0 I less than str size plus plus I std cout as a character str I as a number talk play fun numeric base char str I std enter. I don't think we need this actually. Now let's call this function. Copy it. Control F5. Let's see what's the error. This is no problem actually. If we scroll down, there is some problem in this part of code. If we right click and go to definition, please note that this file is defined as macro here. This file name is min.windef file. This file is included in Windows. If we include Windows, then this file is min.windef is included. So this example shows using macro is really bad practice. This example clearly shows using macro in C++ programming is how badly affects. So we will fix this problem here. I open this file. I will do like this. If def max defined, then and if, then pragma push macro, then max. We push the macro, then we undefine undef max. We undefined, then copy this part once again here. If def min, then we save the macro min like this. Then we copy the whole part, copied. At the end of file here, I paste it. We start in reverse order. We have to reverse like this. Then first I copy this part. If defined, min defined, then we undefine min def, then we pop macro. Please note that we have to do in reverse order like this. And also here x paste, we have to undefined, then we pop macro, then we can remove. I will copy like this, cut, paste. Please note that we have to do in reverse order. Then here, Control F5. Let's see what's the problem again. So min is causing, there is some problem. I think we have to fix this min. Save. Now here again, Control F5. Now it works perfectly. I will give a carriage return here. I will just put a blank space. Control F5. Okay. as a character I as a number 73. This character I is in binary representation. This is 73 and this is binary representation. And A here is this is blank character, blank space ASCII character code is 32, and A, this number, I am a string like this. These are ASCII characters. In computer, these characters are all represented as binary number. This one as character is 1, but its binary number of this character 1 is 49. And number 2 as character, its value is 50. Okay, I will give you a simpler one. Now let's disable for the time. All text editor applications such as Notepad, such applications treat data as ASCII text. If we want to save numbers and make such text editor interpret the numbers properly, we have to convert the numbers to ASCII text first. For example, int age 19, int weight 60. If we want to save these numbers to a file such that text edit can read these numbers properly, we have to convert these numbers into string. std o string stream os. My name is Thomas Kim. I am age years old. I weigh weight kilograms. We have to convert the numbers into a string like this. Then std string buffer os str. Then we have to write file. Then we give a h handle. This is file handle. Please note that I am reading this message, this parameter message here, carefully reading. Buffer is buffer, and we have to provide a character buffer cstr. Then we have the number of bytes to write. We have to calculate the buffer size times character size of character, because this is character string, this is byte size. Then we can provide dw written. Then we don't need this parameter. So this is the right way, d word dw written. Or we can compute like this. Buffer size, this returns character size, then convert it to byte size like this. Okay. Then instead of doing this, we can put like this. And it should be address. Handle, h handle, it should create a file. Something like this. So this is the code. I will disable it because we haven't created a file here in this block. Instead, I will display cout buffer std and there. Now Ctrl F5. So we have to write these text strings to file if we want our application, I mean Notepad or text editor, understand this string. I hope you understand. For more about data representation in computer, please click these links and also this link. If you watch these two videos, you can have more deep understanding about data representation in computer. I will put this script to the description section below, and I will also put link to the source code we created in this session. I will put the link, download the link here. In next session, I will help you understand why namespace is so important. If you take my advice that I will give you in my next session, then you can create huge application all by yourself. Please leave your questions and comments and also request, then I will make requested videos like this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.